I chose Great Falls College because out of the many options that I had to choose from, it had the best accounting program that I could find. I compared many of the community colleges. I compared them between how long they would take, the cost, and just where I would be able to stay, and that was able to help me make my final decision. I'm from Victor, Montana. Coming from a Class C school, I was able to probably regulate myself more going to community college than going to a bigger one, just because it wouldn't be that much of a difference. My experience overall was pretty good. I worked part-time and I enjoyed it a lot. I got to experience a lot of things. I got to make a lot of friends and I had fun. My experience in the accounting program was really good. The professor, Carrie Dolan, took care of the students really well, and she helped out a lot of kids, and if I had questions, she would answer them. I would say that the accounting program really helped me get a basic understanding of what I needed in my current job. My current job is now a tax preparer, but my previous position was being a payroll clerk / bookkeeper, which I think is a lot more what the associate's degree in accounting was for, because it provided the QuickBooks support and just the basic journal entries and T accounts. Now I'm getting my bachelor's, so now I'm taking on a tax preparer position, so it's a little bit different. As I get a higher education, I'm taking on a higher position in my work. I'm taking classes at MSU Billings because I transferred all my credits over there. I think Great Falls College prepared me pretty well to transfer over to MSU Billings for the accounting program because it gave me the basic fundamentals of accounting so that I could take the 300 level classes. I am taking both MSUB classes and Great Falls College classes at the same time to get my bachelor's. During my first year of my associate's degree, I worked part-time the whole time. During my second year, I worked 32 hours a week. And I also took summer classes both summers, so I was a pretty busy person. I got my associate's debt-free with scholarships, and I'm choosing to get my bachelor's debt-free as well. So the extra credits that I need for my bachelor's, I'm getting them through Great Falls College because it's a lot more efficient and cheaper to get them through Great Falls College. If I was to give someone advice for choosing Great Falls College, I would say that if they want smaller community to support you through going through college, then I would suggest going here because it's more tight-knit and you can get more help if you ask for it.